Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's a pleasure and a privilege to join you. Today we're going to deal with some geometry of straight lines, and I want to get straight into the question. So they've said to us the lines A, B, and CD are parallel. Okay, so we need to mark that immediately. So we've got AB is parallel to CD. So that's really important because it brings in the alternate angles, the corresponding angles, and the co-interior angles. Now they've asked us to find the value of t. So t is this one over here. Now they've given us 70 and they've given us 60. So let's see what we can do. Because AB is parallel to CD, we are going to try and find a z. So let's start with the 70 here and see if there's a z that involves the 70 that's useful. So if we find this z over there, we know that this angle is equal to the 70. I'm going to plug that in and see if that helps us. So I'm going to put 70 degrees in over there. Now, does that help us, guys? I think it does, because if we look at this line over here, this is a straight line. And that straight line means that the angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. And the beautiful thing is we've got 60 added to 70 added to t, and that whole thing should equal 180 degrees. Now, we don't have to write reasons here because we simply need to circle the right answer. But essentially, your mathematical statement would be t plus 70 degrees plus 60 degrees should equal 180. And that's because of angles on a straight line. Now, let's simplify the left-hand side first. So 70 plus 60 is going to give us 130 degrees. And that's equal to 180. Now we need to try and get this t by itself. So to do that, we're going to subtract 130 from the left-hand side. And because we're using an equation, we need to do the same thing on the other side. So it's going to be t is equal to 180 degrees minus 130 degrees gives us t being equal to 50 degrees. And that's going to be our final answer, which means A is the correct solution to this particular problem. That's all from me, guys. Thanks so much for joining. A very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Be sure to read up more about them in the description below. If you're keen for more videos like this one, remember to check out our website. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send the question to us and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.